Hey everyone, today we're going over quick fixes for Wise transaction failures. To start, the issue might simply be low balance. Take a moment to review your account funds, top up if needed, and then try sending the transfer again. Another common reason is incorrect payment information. Even a small typo in the recipient's details can cause the transaction to fail, so carefully double or even triple check everything before resubmitting. Technical glitches can also get in the way. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, or switch to a different browser if you're using Wise on desktop. There's also the possibility that you've hit a transaction limit. Check your sending limits and, if necessary, divide the payment into smaller amounts and attempt it again after a short wait. Sometimes the payment method itself is the problem. If you're using a card, try switching to a bank transfer or the other way around. Changing the payment type can help if one method is temporarily restricted. Clearing your browser cache or using incognito mode may also resolve strange loading or processing errors. If none of these steps work, give it about 15 minutes and try again. You can also contact your bank to see if they're blocking the payment or reach out to Wise support for further assistance. That's it for this quick guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.